Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. It's a black metallic boat with a galaxy black metallic stripe. Really a great looking boat. Let's go look at some of the details. We have a huge sun pad back here with sea deck across the back of this boat. Great place for lounging, hanging out, watching the kids swim. We also have a large sun pad here with leg adjustments here, so you can make it a lazy boy recliner and just kind of lays out here and enjoy the sun. We've got cup holders on both sides. We also have a 12-volt electric supply back here for your water toys. We have a remote stereo system so you can control the volume on the boat fore and aft. We also have a self-bailing cooler here that drains overboard, so you can use this for additional storage as well on your boat. For storage, you've got a port side lift up hatch here where you can store anything from life jackets, water toys, a wakeboard, whatever you need to store back here for your water toys to keep it from the main part of the boat. Over here we have your freshwater wash down, so when you get out of the lake you can wash down, wash the lake off you, wash the boat down too. Okay, this boat also comes with a freshwater sink as well. Also, it comes with a sink where you can cool your wine down, make sandwiches, etc. when you're entertaining. This boat also, it comes with your trash area here. You've also got 120 power here that you can use to hook up various devices that are going to run on shore power for this boat. As you can see, we have LED lighting throughout the boat, under the seats in the front as well. All hatches are hinged, so you have a nice sturdy hinge here, nothing to flop around to make noise. You have your shore power here, so you got your inverter here, 2 batteries, and your battery switch is located under here as well for easy access. Here's your latch to your engine compartment right here. This boat is powered by a 6.2 liter 350 horsepower V8 Mercury Mercruiser engine. Very easy to access. Moving forward, again, we have lots of ample storage on this boat. Hinged seats as well. Everything is finished underneath. Here we have a built-in cooler. So we have several different self-bailing coolers on this boat. We have aft, we have a built-in cooler here. Nice storage under here as well, featuring hinged seat covers as well. You've got a ski locker here. Hold your shore power cables. Moving forward on the boat, you'll notice that it has dual baluster seats. It also has loungers that flip fore and aft, so you can use this boat either facing aft if you want to lounge, or you can use this facing forward when you're driving the boat. This boat also comes with digital throttle. It's a nice upgrade on this boat. It has vessel view, so it's a totally digital touch dash. It has GPS, it has bottom track, it has vessel view, which is an exclusive by Mercruiser. You have an Apollo stereo, Bluetooth enabled as well, so you can run your XM satellite radio through that. You have various controls here to control your navigation and your lights. You got your trim tabs over here. You also have a actual windlass on this boat, so it goes up and down at the push of a control. Okay, this boat also comes with a generous size head. This is a vacuum flush toilet on this boat, not a pump out. It also comes with a lighted area underneath here. It also comes with fresh water. There's a storage area under here, actually 2 storage areas under here. and there's a ventilation window as well. There's also a self-bailing glove box here that you can either put your phones in or any of your other valuables, wallets, etc. when you're out riding. If you take off the boat, you can lock that as well. Up in the helm, you have your table storage, your tabletop storage. Here is your main power source, your breakers here, a 120 outlet. So there's 3 120 outlets on this boat to run various auxiliary power when you're on shore. You have a windscreen on this boat as well. So on those cool mornings, you can shut the windscreen, shut the window. That cuts all the breeze off coming from the back of the boat. That'll be nice on these nice fall mornings coming up. This boat is also equipped with a forward ski locker. So you have space up here as well. You can store life jackets, lines, fenders, whatever you may need up here. Generous amount of cup holders. So you have 2 cup holders up here as well. You also have armrests on this boat, so your passengers will be nice and comfortable. You also have self-bailing flip-up compartments underneath both port and starboard seats. These can act as a big cooler as well, so you can load these up with your favorite beverage, sandwiches. You got lots of places to store beverages and food for the family. There's also a mount up here for the table. So you have a table fore and aft, so you have plenty of room on this boat for lots of family activities. Here's your anchor locker right here. This is for your line for your windlass. And here is your windlass. That's actuated on the helm, push button. So with a touch of a button, you can drop your anchor and you can pull it up as well. This boat also comes equipped with a front shower as well. So if you need to shower off from the lake from the forward part of the boat, you can do that as well without tracking through the boat. Very nice feature. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on this 2020 290 Sun Deck. My name's Dennis Orcutt at Lake Wylie Marina. If this is a boat that you are interested in, please contact us at 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.